Hi, and welcome to this platform. My name is Marjorie Nantambi, your personal growth and personal finance coach. On this platform, we talk a lot about goals. We talk about vision boards. Have you actually set your goals for this year yet? If you haven't, you're not too late. This could be the time that you write your goals down. And if you need help with that, do not get worried. We have very many videos where we share about that. I'll link the video in the description, or you can actually go to the playlist and see vision boards. All the videos are in there. So what we are going to share today is something about our words. Yes. Did you know that your words can actually help you achieve your goals, or they can actually deter you from achieving your goals? Did you? Yeah, I bet you did. So what we are going to share today is something that we call the pep talk, because after setting our goals and writing them down and putting the beautiful images up on our vision boards, then it is important the words that we speak, because those will help us achieve our goals. So what we are going to be sharing today, like I mentioned, is how we are going to use these words, the words that we say, because we know that words that are spoken over you are not as important as the words that you speak to yourself. Yeah? Should I say that again? Words spoken over you by other people do not actually matter. What matters most is what you tell yourself. For example, if you tell yourself after setting the goals, oh my God, I'll never lose weight, I can never make this money, I can never start this business, guess what? You will never achieve those goals. So it is important for us to know the words that we are using and to use these words to help us get closer to achieving our goals. And that is something that is called the pep talk. So when we use pep talk or positive affirmations, I'm sure you've heard about that. It is just us using words that are going to help us affirm whatever it is that we want to achieve. And like the Bible says, we need to speak non-existent things like they've already existed. Yeah, and that is in Romans. Yeah, so we need to start practicing the things that you've put up. If you want to make money this year, if you want to get married, if you want to have children, let us start speaking as if these things have already happened. Now someone would ask, hey, isn't that me lying to myself? No, that is just the power of positive affirmations. Because guess what? The more you hear something spoken over and over in your ears to you, then that is the more you believe it. That's why usually when you're in an environment and all the words you hear are, you're stupid, you can never make it in life and things like that, then you end up failing. Yeah, you've noticed that, right? So it is the same thing. Now we are reversing it. That instead of speaking what is happening right now, oh, I'm broke, I'm all these things, I can never make it and all that, we are actually reversing it to speaking words that are going to get us closer to our goals. Because like I said, words are powerful. In the Bible, I can use an example. Remember in Genesis, yeah, at the beginning, what did God say? When he was creating the earth, what did he say? He said, let there be. Exactly. So it's the same thing that we are going to use when we are working on our goals. So we need to start speaking these things that we want to achieve. So there is a quote by Joel Osteen. He actually said that to change what you have, you need to start changing what you are saying. To change your current situation, you need to change what you're seeing. So do not use your words to describe your situation right now. I know you may be going through a hard situation right now, but do not use your words to describe it, because you're already there anyway, right? So let us use our words to describe what we would rather have. So that happens, like I've been sharing on this platform, we look at the different areas. So that happens in your spiritual life, in your physical life, in your social life, in your finances, in your intellectual life. So start speaking the things that you want to manifest in your life. And it is also very, very important. So one of the things that we are going to look at today is the 5 P's of pep talk, the 5 P's of the affirmations that we are going to speak. So the first one is we need to be positive. That's where it starts. And that's why I said, do not use the negative words when you're describing your situation. Maybe you're saying, oh, okay, this time I'm better. They told us not to describe our situation, so I'm not going to say that I'm broke, but I'll say, I can use an example of maybe I'm not broke. That doesn't help, because you've already still put the word broke in your sentence. Yeah, does that make sense? So instead of describing the situation that you're in currently, like I said, let us use the word to describe what we want to have. So the first one is positive. So like they always say, it is not enough for you to change from speaking the negative words, but it's also important to replace these negative words with the positive words. I can ask you a very simple question. What is the first word you say when you maybe accidentally fall or something scares you? We've all been in that situation, right? What is the first word that you always say? Yeah? You're thinking about it? Awesome. So that first word the word that you say unconsciously, maybe you fall, some people say, oh, Jesus, mommy, all those things, you know the word that you say, right? So that is also powerful. That shows you the power of words. So we need to change from the negative situations or from the negative words to the positive words, describing the situation that you want to see instead of describing the situation that you are in currently. Sometimes speaking these words, you may feel like, but Maju, am I not lying to myself? Trust me, like I said, the more you speak these words, the more you believe. The words that you hear consistently are the words that you believe. So it is important for you to start practicing these words. And I'm going to put a list in the description that you can actually download and see all the things, the different affirmations that you can use to help you on this journey. So make sure you click the link in the description box such that you get the affirmations in your financial, in your physical, and all the different areas. So the second P is personal. You need to make these goals or these affirmations personal. Do not just hear what Marjorie is saying or what your friend is saying and then you pick it up. No. As you make your goals and affirmations, make them personal. I am this and this. I am this and this. The things that you want to achieve for yourself. And then the third P is present tense. We need to use the present tense. Do not say, I will be rich. No, that already sends a message to your brain that is for the future. Okay, we shall be rich sometime. No, that's why we say you need to use the present tense when you're writing down your goals and the things that you want to achieve. Then the fourth P is precise. Like we said, vague goals produce vague results. So as you set your goals, you need to be precise. Not, I want to be rich or I'm going to be rich. No, be precise. What is it exactly? Maybe say, I'm saving this kind of money by December this year. Or I'm starting my business with the business name by maybe September. I am building my house, buying my car, and things like that. Yeah. So they need to be in present tense. And then, like I said, we have positive is the first one. We need to be precise, needs to be personal, in present tense, and lastly, with passion. When you are speaking this affirmation, do not say, I'm going to be wealthy or I'm wealthy. No, you need to speak it with passion, because the more you speak it with passion, the more you believe it. When you speak and you're not sure, oh, but am I not lying to myself? Trust me, that negative mind, because we all have those negative voices, that voice will speak loud and will be like, actually, you are lying to yourself. But whenever you speak it with passion, then the easier it is for you to believe it, and it will be easy for you to actually manifest it and achieve it in your life. So, like I said, we need to replace the negative words with the positive words, and we need to speak these consistently, because the more we speak them out, the more we believe them, and the faster it is for us to achieve the goals we said we wanted to achieve this year. So thank you for watching until this point. We have a vision board course. Yeah, I'm going to put the link in the description for you to join us, and join us on the 3-day practical guide. Yes, it is a practical guide. We have the discussion in there. I'm going to put the link in the description for the 3-day practical guide, and we shall be able to sit together and work on our goals and dreams together. I cannot wait to have you on the course to join us as we do that. And thank you for being here. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe, because we have a video out every single week that you'll not want to miss. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.